In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable proxy settings in Safari for ExpressVPN. If you're using ExpressVPN on a Mac and Safari keeps showing no internet errors, proxy loop warnings, or pages that simply time out, the issue is often not Safari itself. Safari uses your Mac's system-wide network proxy settings, so if an old proxy configuration is still enabled, it can interfere with ExpressVPN and block your connection. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to clear those settings safely and get things working properly again. First, open the ExpressVPN app on your Mac. If you're currently connected, click the main power button once to disconnect. You want the app to return to its neutral, disconnected state before making any changes. Leave the app open in the background so it's ready for later. Next, open your Mac system settings. Click the Apple icon in the upper left corner of the screen, then choose System Settings. If you're on an older version of macOS, this may appear as System Preferences instead. Once you're there, click Network in the left sidebar. On the right side, find the internet connection you're actively using. This is usually Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and it should show as connected. Select that active connection to open its settings. Now look for the Details button next to that connection and click it. This opens the more advanced settings for that specific network adapter. In the menu inside that window, scroll down and select Proxies. Here's the important part. You'll see a list of proxy options, including things like Web Proxy, Secure Web Proxy, SOCKS Proxy, and Automatic Proxy Configuration. Turn off every proxy toggle you see in that section. The goal is to make sure no proxy method is left enabled, since even one active setting can continue causing conflicts. When you're done, click OK to close that panel. Back in the main network settings window, click Apply to save the changes. This makes sure macOS actually commits the updated network configuration. After that, open Safari. In the top menu bar, click Safari, then choose Settings or Preferences on older systems. Go to the Extensions tab and review any installed extensions. If you see anything related to proxy management, custom routing, or web unblocking tools, disable it by unchecking it or uninstall it completely. These extensions can override your clean system settings and continue causing problems. Finally, close Safari completely. Press Command and Spacebar to open Spotlight, type Terminal, and open it. Then enter the following command exactly as shown: sudo /flush cache sudo kill all ship mdns responder. This clears cached network and DNS information so Safari can reconnect cleanly using the updated settings. After that, you can reopen Safari